Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. So really exciting news. I have hit just over 100 subscribers, which is really exciting for me. I know it's quite small fry for most people, but I'm really excited. I would just like to say thank you very much to everybody who has subscribed. It does mean a lot and I do really enjoy getting comments and just getting feedback and interacting with people. It's great. So thank you very much for that. I know a lot of people have come for the Dollhouse videos and they will still be coming. Do like to include the other things because for me they all seem to go together. Obviously I go shopping for decor pieces for my home and craft things, so I think it's useful to share things that I've bought, as inspiration. Also, the decor that I use in my house often reflects on what I use in my dollhouse because I like to do my dollhouse nice and modern like I have the house. So I think they go together that way. And then obviously the crafting comes because that's what I enjoy doing. And then I use my crafting skills for my dollhouse. So I do think it all goes together and I hope you do too. And I hope that you do enjoy watching every video. Or as I say, if you come for some, that you do stick around for the others. I like to keep my videos nice and short. So hopefully I'm not boring you and that you'll stick with me for many more videos to come. So thanks ever so much. Let's get on to today's video. Recently, I created a guest bedroom. I got rid of my dressing room, incorporated it into my master bedroom and created a guest bedroom, which I was really pleased with. I will put a link up to that video if you haven't seen it. And at the same time, I redesigned my current bedroom, my master bedroom, moved it around to obviously make room for the stuff from the dressing room. So here is the bedroom as it was renovated. So I incorporated items from the dressing room into there and moved things around. Now I've had a better idea. I thought, why not have both bedrooms upstairs? So I've moved my office out and I'm creating that into my master bedroom. So I've done a little bit of changes. I've kept the side pieces of wallpaper. I've kept the light, but I've changed this one at the back here. So I've put a new piece in, and that mirror is now mounted on the wall with washi tape around it. It was on a stand in the dressing room and then my bedroom before. So I think that works nicely there. And then I'm going to just move my wardrobe into here, so that can go there. And then I'm going to put the shoe cupboard at the side, but I actually do now have a bit of a gap. So I thought, oh, I know what I'll do. I'll use that for a little bit of storage. So I'm just putting my shopping bag there, and I've put my suitcase in the wardrobe because it doesn't fit on the top now. So I'm going to put this chest in there. It's just like little cushions that I've made and bits of material and things. So some of it's Christmassy stuff, so it'll come out at Christmas. So just like in your real house, you can use the secret cupboard for storage. So the shoes will go in there. And then that's that. And then here's the rug. So I'm pretty much moving the furniture from the bedroom just back up into this room to create a new master bedroom. I think it's going to be great with the two bedrooms on the top floor, really. It's just when you think about things, you suddenly think, oh, that's a better idea. So I'm going to put the bed back as it is, but I'm going to lose the massive headboard that I had. And I'm just going to put these pillows up to sort of create a headboard. And then I'm going to put my pom-pom cushions on. So I think that's a little bit more streamlined. I might make a wooden headboard. I'll have a think about it. But for now, I'm happy with how that looks. So now the bedside tables that were attached to the headboard and I had lights in them, I've just unattached them. And so those lamps now don't light up. But I think they look pretty cute. And then I've got these little blue counters that I'm going to use for coasters. And then I've got a little book to put on the bedside table. And then on the other side, I'm going to put a little glass of water. And I think that looks really nice up here. And I think, as I say, I think the wallpaper still works. So then over this side, I'm going to bring this chair in. This was made with a lid and then some pieces of cardboard cut and wrapped around and glued on, and then the little super glue lids for the feet, which I think is pretty cute. And then I've just got a piece of towel, I think that is. That's going to be a throw. Make it nice and cosy. And then another pom-pom cushion to match the ones that are on the bed. And then I've made a little footstool. I've just got a few pieces of cardboard, sellotape them together, and then just got a piece of material and sort of wrapped it like a parcel, really. So that's going to be a little footstool, so you can sit on the chair and put your socks on. And then here, I'm going to create a little bedside table. So I've got one of those lids, and then I've just stuck a plastic lid on top to hold it, and then another lid off one of my, I think, Rituals body lotions. They've come so handy, those lids have. And then I've got another coaster on there with a mug from the kitchen, and then a couple of books, a couple of decor books with a candle on top. And then just to finish things off, I'm going to put a little pot plant over there at the top of the stairs or in the corner. And actually, just thinking about it, the pot is a glue stick lid. I think I'm going to use my technique of wrapping it with some jute or some twine, just like I did in one of my crafting videos a couple of weeks back. I'll post a link up so you can have a look at it. But that's what I'm going to do to that. I've just sort of thought about that, so I shall do that and make those changes. But there you go. That's the master bedroom now upstairs. So both bedrooms are at the top of the house, which I think works out brilliantly. I'm just going to let you into a secret of what's going on. As you can see, the living room has started to come upstairs. I've made a new rug. I've cut down the fireplace so it fits, because that floor is a little bit shorter than the one downstairs. The bathroom's the same as it is for now, but it's changing. All the office furniture's in the kitchen, and I'm in the process of moving the kitchen furniture into what was the living room. I'm going to keep the dining area I created last week, but I am going to remodel the kitchen because I now have more room for it. I always wanted a bigger kitchen and couldn't, I couldn't decide between the living room and the kitchen. as to which was the bigger room. So now it works perfectly. I've got both the big rooms. So I'm going to move the living room into the middle floor. I'm going to redecorate the bathroom, and I'm going to remodel the kitchen and obviously the study. So there's a lot coming up. So I hope you stay with me and enjoy the ride. And as always, thanks ever so much for watching and liking and subscribing. And I will see you next week. So for now, take care. Bye bye.